Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to be showing you some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2018 Tesla Model 3. The LeatherSeats.com interior configurator offers options that allow you to choose from any of our 65 plus colors in a variety of single and two-tone styles. The passenger seat here is done in our two-tone combo style, featuring black as the primary color with cobalt in the secondary combo sections. All of the double stitching and top stitching is done in cobalt thread. The driver's seat features our two-tone facing style, with black as the primary color and mint brown as the secondary facings color. It's finished off with mint brown thread, which contrasts on the perimeter top stitch seams. Both of these styles are available on our Tesla pre-selected package page. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. Like most of our kits, our Model 3 upholstery packages are designed for the original upholstery to be removed before installation. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, this kit will arrive fully sewn and ready to install right out of the box, including all of the necessary Velcro attachments, J-clips, and push-clip listings. You will need basic hand tools as well as spray adhesive to transfer the factory seat heaters. We also suggest using an upholstery or clothing steamer to achieve optimal fitment. The factory seat heaters are actually sewn into the original upholstery. In order to transfer the seat heaters, you'll need to carefully cut the heating pads out of the original covers and apply them directly to the factory seat foam using a spray adhesive. Our upholstery kits for the Tesla Model 3 do include the replacement covers for both the front and rear seats. We offer several different leather content packages. Of course, we do offer a 100% vinyl kit like the factory covers. Both of the packages here are built using our suggested premium leather trim content, which offers leather on the seating surfaces of both rows of seating with matching vinyl on the sides. We also offer a more budget-friendly Deluxe package, which has less leather on the rear seats. Lastly, for those of you that want all leather, we do offer a 100% leather content package. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products that we can offer for your Tesla Model 3, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com or give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.